Now let's consider this question on simultaneous equation. Now there are two ways we can solve simultaneous equation, either by using the elimination method or the substitution method. But in this question, we are going to use the elimination method. Now the question is 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and then x minus y equal to 1. So we are finding the values of x and y. Now before you can do, first of all, let's write the equation. We have 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and then x minus y equal to 1. Now when you do this one, let's compare the coefficient. So let me call this one as equation 1 and let me call the second equation as equation 2. Now let's check something. Over here, this x here and then this x here. The coefficient of this x in the equation 1 is 2 and also the coefficient of this x in equation 2 is 1, which means they are not the same. So we want to make the coefficient the same. So the coefficient of x in both equations the same. So we need to multiply this 2 here by the whole of the equation 2. Then we need to multiply the 1 here by the whole terms in equation 1. So let's start. So 2 times equation 2. We're going to have 2 times x and then also 2 times y and then 2 times 1. 2 times x will give me 2x minus 2y and then I'll have 2. So when you multiply these 2 by all the terms in equation 2, I got 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Now let me call this one as equation 3. So let me call this one as equation 3. Now also I'm going to multiply the 1 here by all the terms in equation 1. So I'm going to have 1 multiplied by 2x and also 1 multiplied by 3y and also 1 multiplied by 12. Now this one is going to be 2, the same thing, 3y is equal to 12. Now let me call this one as equation 4. Now let's consider equation 3 and equation 4. Now we can see that the coefficient of the s in both equation 3 and also equation 4 are the same, which is 2. And here when you get here, we can now start doing the elimination. We now have 2x minus 2y equal to 2, which is the equation 3, and also 2x plus 3y equal to 12, which is the equation 4. We can now subtract the equation 3 from equation 4, or either way around, equation 4 minus equation 3. The equation 4 becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, and then the equation 3 is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So now we need to subtract both equations. Now here 2x minus 2x will give me 0, but I'll not write it. 3x minus 2y. So I'm gonna have 5y is equal to 12 minus 2 here will give me 10. Let me divide both sides by 5. So finally I'm gonna have y is equal to 2. I had y equal to 2, so I'm going to put y equal to 2 in equation 2. Now equation 2, I have x minus y is equal to 1. So I'm going to put the y equal to 2 here in equation 2. And I'm going to have x here. Now y here, I got 2, so I'm going to replace the y with 2 equal to 1. And finally I'll have s is equal to 1 and plus 2. And I'll have s is equal to 3. Therefore the solution set of the equations are s equal to 3 and then y is equal to 2.